Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Ford Fiesta SE in chili pepper red. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 15-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com, stock number D6555.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.